All right, let's start with GJ. Weekly bullish, daily bearish but structurally bullish, 4-hour bullish. So overall, if we have the weekly and the 4-hour bullish, I'm definitely going to be looking for buys. I think I maybe hold on. So I'm trying to see if I missed some opportunities because I'd rather take setups that are present on the 4-hour. And let's see if so we have this last lower high that was created. That's all well and good. I put a fib from here to here. Let's see what this looks like on the 1-hour. So there was an opportunity for entry. It just didn't happen during New York session, so I just couldn't take it. So let's take that off and put the updated one. 38.2. That's good. I'm not going to put a new fib because technically right here, we never broke it. So I'm just going to extend the fib. So ideally, point A, point B. Yeah, entries here at a minimum. I do see some. I entered in and then I realized it wasn't even 8 o'clock. Then I was like, whoa. So we'll see what happens with this. I think there was a lot of news for, yeah, the pound today at 7. So hopefully we can see some movement, you know. For gold now, okay, so I have a good story about this one. Look. So on the weekly, bullish, right? Higher lows maintaining, potential higher low could be maintained from here. Now, if I put the current fib on the daily, I think that would look something like this from this last higher low to here. And now we were making, let's go away. Right here, you see price created support. Price comes down and maintains it. That's price being maintained. That's not price breaking. So not only did price maintain it with this candle, but then we have this doji to continue to reject the downside. And then to make it even better, we have a higher low and an engulfing. On somewhere where we're already bullish on the weekly, this is the daily candles closing like this. And so it's causing me to really believe that, okay, this is a sign of a transition because we have a higher low and engulfing in a counter trend. So I have a slightly, like technically the daily is still in a counter trend because we broke this level, we have this lower high, and this lower high is being maintained so far, right? But I can't help but also notice what's present in front of me. So let's see if we have a bullish bias, then, right? Because I really think it started being bullish right after this. We had, okay, this really big old downfall. Minor resistance created, broken super hard by these candles, right? Higher low maintained. Break this level, come down, and again, higher lows are being maintained. So I have a little bit more of a bullish bias. And yesterday, price started here at 9:30 because I'm trading gold only like when the New York Stock Exchange opens, which is 9:30. But price came here. Crazy enough, I did take a buy and psych myself out of it. I would have still been in it. Still been in that bit. But so I'm gonna see at 9:30. Hopefully it comes back down to this level or something like that. Yeah, maybe it'll probably like reject this level and yeet down before continuing bullish. I don't know, but I am seeing more bears than anything on the daily time frame. Could it continue bearish? Absolutely, absolutely. GU on the other hand is more okay. So she's interesting because weekly is bearish. We all know. I'm gonna put this here to represent a big old weekly, oh, let me just take everything off, right? So got this great level here, this great level here. Bearish bias on daily. So ideally you would be looking for stuff like this, like a double top and engulfing, bearish engulfing, stuff like that as a sign that price will continue bearish. So it doesn't, like, yes, we had a lower high here. High lows have been maintaining, but at the same time, we understand where we are. And I see a pattern, this double high, massive wick rejection, bearish engulfing, you know. So now I look at the 4-hour. And I'm like, all right, cool. What can we do from here? So see daily, 4-hour, it's not that here. A point B. I would like, if I'm going to take this trade, I need to see it come up to at least 38.2 level, or else I'm not going to want to retrade it. But yeah, bearish bias on GU, bullish bias on gold. And then again, like at the same time, it could completely continue bearish because the 4-hour structure, this is where we are. So it's like, if at 9:30, I see more signs of a bear. Like you could take either way. Like it could really go either way, but I like the buy idea for gold. I really do. And then GJ buys, yeah, maybe it could come back into this 38.2 a little bit so I can get some better entries. But that is my analysis for today. Happy trading.